enemies. Got a lot of enemies.
A lot of gargling and...
So, Kylo wants to kill more. So let's try to find more.
Oh, you can sprint in this game.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, just suck your leg.
Smack that bitch. Smack that hoe. Smack that bitch.
Oh yeah, this is like he said it like with modern like Infinite Warfare when you have the no with Halo when you get the ammo, how much ammo you have right on the side? 99. 99.
Shut that damn music off!
What damn
The audio in this game is fucking terrible.
Get in there.
It's
Oh
Ali
yeah.
A.
Okay, now we go to the strip club. This is the strip club,
Is
right?
it really?
Yeah.
Do we get seen alien titties?
Technically no.
Aw, gay.
What about cyber titties? They're holograms. Yeah.
I've lost their readings.
Where are
Connor,
we?
can you read?
What?
The rookie is in the
Oh
vicinity.
my
See?
fucking god.
Oh, bruh, go to her. Hell yeah.
Hey, this is Cortana.
Hell yeah. Bruh,
This is Cortana in 5 years.
Wait, hold on, B.
These dead bodies really add the
Bar.
pleasure to it.
No shit.
This way.
God
We do go back to that room.
What is that? Some kind of nest?
Oh shit.
Must be some new breed of Xeno.
Private Gibson here. On my way to the road.
The real reason we're here.
So you're telling me they put their eggs in the strip club?
Yes.
In the elevator now.
They must have really jacked off in there.
Watch those
I'm
shadows.
saying.
Wow.
This is their nesting spot. I get it.
Almost there.
An enemy.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold it.
Hey.
Oh, she's gone.
Oh, he dead.
Shh. The Xeno was equipped for some kids. Crap! The elevators are down.
He said
I'll try
crap.
to reroute the power.
So yep, we're gonna kill a bunch of xenomorphs right now. Yeah!
Multiple signals.
You know that means you're in the first level now.
Hold on, rookie.
Hooray, party. Wow, this game is so stupid so far. Holy shit.
Where are the aliens?
Where's the horror?
There it is.
Hell yeah. Nothing says,
Oh, don't tell me you're gonna die.
Nope.
oh, smack that bitch.
Get on the phone.
Working on it. Just stay alive.
This is such a great
Okay, ready for this?
level.
Oh shit. Oh, I thought you were gonna do a corpse launch.
Uh-oh. You're gonna go.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow. What the fuck is going on?
Right on your right. Right on your left. Turn back behind you.
Don't give me directions, Mom! Oh, yeah. Cameron's really liking the music too.
This is the song they play while killing aliens throughout this entire game.
Alright, we killed all the xenomorphs, I think.
Oh, you wanna leave the strip club? This is the first level. We can't say goodbye to this.
Where's my waifu?
You mean my waifu.
You mean the xenomorph?
Xenomorpho? God damn it.
Gibson's down, FOT. Sending the rookie
He's
your
enjoying
way.
himself.
Take
Aw.
care of him. He's had a rough ride.
I'll treat him like my kid brother.
Nice and over.
Like my kid brother.
X took it.
Ooh, get on.
Wow,
He's
orgasmic.
nutty.
That was
Still
orgasmic.
quite a party back there.
That looks like one of
Oh,
the
yeah.
aliens from Halo, dude. What the
Well, this is more of a turret from,
A turd?
a turret.
Turt?
Turt? It's
Tart?
more of a
A
turret.
pop
It's a turt?
It's more of a Pop-Tart, you know.
Turt?
Anyway, it's a turk from where?
Turt?
From, God, what was that game? Black Ops 3. Or it's just like the go back.
Auto factory.
That's pretty much what it
Who
is.
made this game?
I have no idea.
Epic Games confirmed.
Epic Games confirmed.
Is it really Epic Games?
I have no idea. Rebellion Developments.
Rebellion.
What else did they make?
The Sniper Elite games.
Those games are kind of shitty.
Then they probably borrowed certain.
Rogue Trooper. How awesome does that sound? Rogue.
Suck it up, kid. You'll live.
Yeah, you live.
You idiot!
What a rookie!
Fucking moron! Come on, you live. Fucking moron! Jesus Christ! You would do terrible in any sort of battle-based simulation.
If
Good
only,
Lord!
if only that.
There's fucking Dan fucking bandaging me up. You'll live.
Gonna do more than that.
And I'm okay with killing you.
I've got readings.
I got readings.
I got. You guys are fucking terrible at shooting.
Did the turret do anything?
Yeah.
It was a.
What happened to the lights?
Nigga, I'm black. I can't see.
Sentry's running hot.
The ash slinging slasher. The lights will flicker on and
When
on.
does the techno begin again?
There's no more techno in this game.
Aww.
Oh.
Kiss.
But I do think we go back to that level. I don't
really?
remember.
Alright, so you have to head back down and support the sentry gun.
Christmas!
Woo!
Oh yeah, you can't really jump in this
Can't
game.
even hurt.
Can't do parkour?
You literally can't do diddly shit.
Cockily
Run
googly,
and shoot.
neighbor.
That's your only two objectives. Run and shoot.
Find the
You learn
command
no new
laptop.
skill.
Get it back online.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Buttons! Buttons!
He finger pokes. God.
Oh,
hi.
hi! Oh, wait,
Where the fuck is he?
he's on the walls.
Bitch fucking ran.
Oh, behind you.
He's eating your ass. What?
Did you see? Did you see him elevate?
You became God.
Watch me how I navigate.
Fucking. What the fucking fuck?
Oh my freaking god.
my
Teleportation away.
I must go.
He
My
got,
people need
he got fucking beamed up by God.
Oh, we could speak cameras.
Beam me up, Scotty.
He got yeeted.
Got yeeted.
He goes like this, beam me up, Scotty, and he just...
He was on all fours too. He's like, whoop.
I don't give a fuck.
Is this how you teleport in Pokemon?
What did your comrades die?
Yeah. Actually, most of them just abandoned me.
That bitch ran. Ran for my life.
Oh my god. That's freaking awesome.
That's how my girlfriend crawls to me after I give her the dick.
This is Tequila. We rookie.
Tequila.
Hang in there. Charlie team's heading
I'm weak
your
from
way.
the waist down.
Tell him to hurry the fuck up, Corporal.
Oh shit, she cursed!
Ooh, she cursed incinerated that game, edgy. Wow, that bitch sweet.
So when I...
When do we get to do the elevating aliens again? Oh, he smacked you in the
Please
face.
put it on instant replay.
Stop smacking me, bitch. Oh, you dead.
I died!
You died.
You died. Mission failed. We'll get it next time.
Actually, I think I played this on easy when I practiced.
Easy.
Easy.
I fucking hate you, Dan.
You put it on easy.
Would you just eat something?
No, we gave himself the shot, remember?
He gave himself a chili dog.
Stand down.
A tequila. That's what he did.
I love this. You see how my light is like supposed to be like this is supposed to be on my gun,
Yeah.
My ass is sweating.
and then it goes like this.
Oh, well, that does not make sense now, does it?
You sure it's getting fucking
Did you shoot that? Oh, you did.
You dead.
Oh, you're too
Oh.
late.
This is Tequila.
I don't care.
Me
This is
rookie.
tequila.
Hang in there.
Shut up, fucking tequila. No one cares about you.
You gotta drink the
I'm not even sure that you're real.
margarita. Uh-oh, on the walls. Elevate for us. Whoop! Whoop that ass.
Who did?
behind you, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. He's like, whoop! Acid! Nice.
Oh yeah, now I'm get trapped in here.
Really?
Yeah, I'm trapped in here right now.
Well,
Trapped in the closet. Trapped in the corridor.
Okay, I got you. Never mind.
too late.
Thanks for your sacrifice, soldier.
Dude, you got a horde.
I can't wait until I'm part of the Space Force to do this.
Space Force.
Where's Team America when you need them?
Jacking into the system.
Oh
It'd
god.
be cool if this is multiplayer.
Actually, I'm not entirely sure that it's not.
Really?
Right now, I think.
Multiplayer?
Oh man.
There's too many of them. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Way too many, Shag.
Okay, I'm in. Opening the
You
doors.
roll the door.
Okay.
Oh, the door open. Whoop!
Yeah.
Head to your objective, Mark.
Where the
Oh
Indians?
shit. We ran.
Down the tunnel. The elevator's on the left.
Oh, you
Which
can't-
left?
No.
That's the wrong one.
Elevator's on
Whoa!
Oh, hello. Hi.
Hello,
What do
Yondu.
we have for her, Johnny? Whoa! Bitch.
Alien acid steak.
Alien ass.
It's steak.
Oof.
Oh no!
Big. Ooh, get smacked out, bitch. It would
Good
be funny if
ending,
the
yeah.
alien was when you
This
grew
is
the door
tequila.
crusher.
All Marines, regroup. and
I would be really impressed if they even coded that in.
But it would probably be like a scripting event. But it'd be cool nonetheless.
Rookie, the sewer system runs underneath the entire colony. Follow the sewer tunnels back to the garage.
Now we're in the sewer.
You're in
Do
a
it,
sword.
Marine. You can wash the shit off in orbit.
Wash the shit off
In orbit.
in orbit.
Well, we're supposed to get. Well,
Ooh, hi!
Oh, he had your. He tried taking your shoes. I mean your shoes.
Cheese.
cheese
Not
grommets.
Not my cheese.
Cheese. My dick cheese.
No.
Not my cheese grommet.
My Dick Cheney cheese.
You're posted in the wrong cheese neighborhood.
Cheese.
This ain't Wisconsin, you know.
I like good cheese.
Thank you for.
Smoke so much cheese you wouldn't believe. I get more cheese on a cheese seed.
I don't have any more grenades.
Oh.
Their heads explode.
Yeah, I shot that head off.
Bitch.
Got company. Run.
I am
Got
running.
company.
We got company.
There's an elevator out at the other end of the sewer.
All right, let's keep on
We're
going.
under the shit pile.
We're in sync.
All right, here we go. I'm almost there, I think.
Oh! My ass! Who's behind me?
Hi.
Oh god, the queen! Wait, this is cutscene?
Yep, that was a cutscene.
Oh,
We
are you
just
serious?
we just finished the first mission.
What?
Yep.
No!
That was the first mission.
Why didn't you shoot?
I tried, Corporal.
Where did you shoot him at?
All right, we're gonna end the episode right there. I've been Realist Jay.
I'm
My
Hello.
partners have been.
Hello.
Sexy dad.
Good night, everybody.